how do I feel before riding one? Well, I feel very nervous but excited at the same time because like it's been a while since I rode, so yeah, I'm excited. It was an amazing experience. The guys were so helpful. They explained the instructions so easily. So yeah, it was fun. It was really nice.
Best part was actually getting my feet up onto the foot stand and actually being able to ride it. So it was quite good.
Have I ridden a motorcycle before? No, I haven't. I was quite excited and I was really nervous. Would I get to do my CVT? I would love to.
My experience was incredible. The instructors took good care of me, and I think the best part was definitely revving the throttle. You know, hearing the engine go was incredible.
What was my experience like? I enjoyed it.
Today, it's gone really well so far. We've had lots of bookings. I think we're fully booked, in fact. It is rewarding. It's kind of the toughest part of teaching, taking someone from that zero to hero stage. But as long as people leave with a smile on their face, then it's all good.